create a shadow to any object. So use a background color white. So just by holding control, click on a hippo layer. So you can see the selection. So then use new layer and fill that new layer with a black color. So then select a black color hippo. So go to edit, retransform, right click, use distort. So then change the angle of the shadow wherever you need. Again by using VAR, I am adjusting shadow near the legs. Once adjustment is done, go to blur, apply Gaussian blur. So give a value how much you need. So then apply OK. So then adjust the opacity of the layer.